Stop wasting time designing your main titles kwa posters. There is a very easy way of going about it. Now, if you look at my poster, we have these fonts that we have put for our main title. You do not have to select colors. Most of the time, you can just go to Pinterest. Just go to Pinterest, find a gradient. Just write gradient BG, and then you can add the palette. I know you are a graphic designer, you know the color scheme. So the palette is something like red, orange, mustard would also work. It's in the same style. It's in the same style as the background. So we have so many of these gradients here. Can you pick one? Let me pick this one. I'm just going to pick this one and then just save image as and save it to your computer. Drag it back into Photoshop. Not waste time. We're trying to not waste time. We want to get an idea of that title very early on. And then just grab your text. The day, the revival, and 3. And then come to your layers, right click and create a smart object from this layer. So convert to smart object. Now, make sure you name. Always make sure you name. Do not be that guy who does not name your layers. It is very shoddy work. Just name your layers. Let us also name the gradient layer. That is our gradient layer. Grab it and place it on top of your text. Just make sure that it is on top of your text. And then we are going to go to our layers tab, and between the gradient layer and the title layer, we are going to hold Alt and we are going to see that sign. Do you see that sign? Just left click on that. And we have created a clipping mask. Simply, it has been cut out to the shape of the smart object that we had. Now, the good thing about this is if you're going to animate in something like After Effects, you can actually be moving this around to make them think that you're so awesome. They would think that you actually know how to light and you understand the camera in After Effects. You don't. You're just using a gradient. So this will save you so much time and it gives you so many options. You can just move this around. The options are endless, and you also get textures. So depending on also what you chose as a gradient from your Pinterest, you also get texture. Some of these gradients have textures, so that will be applied to your main title. All of this is in our Photoshop course. You can check out that course by checking the link in our bio or calling us. The number is also on our bio.